Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Charles Schwab website Easy Method. Begin by signing in and confirming two-step verification to secure access, then learn where key menu items live. I will guide you through checking balances, viewing positions, and finding trade options. You will see how to use the search, set alerts, and open helpful panels. Follow simple clicks and tips to move confidently through accounts and trades with less stress. Start at the Accounts tab and scan balances and positions with a calm checklist approach. I explain how filters let you focus on cash, stocks, or mutual funds, and how to read recent activity. You will learn to expand individual positions to see cost basis and gains. I'll also show how linking external accounts creates a consolidated snapshot so you can monitor everything without switching sites or apps. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a long-lasting fresh scent, and keep your commute pleasant while you manage finances on Schwab. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Head to the trade section and enter a symbol, quantity, and order type with calm precision. I walk you through market, limit, and stop orders and explain when each makes sense. You'll see how to set price limits, review estimated fees, and confirm order duration. I also cover checking order status and executing modifications or cancellations quickly so your trades match your intentions without surprises or extra stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.